Good morning, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm going to show you one of my client account. As you can see, this is the real money account. So let's see the history of this account. What did it says? So as you can see, he deposit about $1,000 and he already withdraw 250. His total profit is about $623. Let's see what the history says of the account. He deposit about 30 of March 2020. As you can see, we always work with risk and money management. Our lot size is 0.02 on that account. So we increase here when we got the confirm trade, we increase our lot size little bit. As you can see, we are using 0.02 or 0.03 on $1,000 account. Yeah, you heard it right. So that's all the history here. He make a withdrawal of 1st of April 2020. He make his first withdrawal $250, and we work only with 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 lot sizes on $1,000 account. So that's the whole history of his account. So guys, if you want to join my channel, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and you can contact me over there as well. So keep safe, stay safe at home. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.